Let's have a very honest conversation about the state of e-commerce right now. If you are still doing manual dropshipping today, you are actively losing money. And more importantly, you are losing your mind. Think about the traditional way we all learned dropshipping. You spend hours endlessly scrolling through unreliable supplier directories. You finally find a product, but then you have to deal with notoriously delayed 30-day shipping times from overseas. You spend half your day answering angry customer emails, asking where their packages are, and you try to manage your inventory manually across 5 different spreadsheets. It is a guaranteed recipe for burnout, and it's exactly why so many beginners quit before they ever see real success. But what if you had an AI assistant that did literally all of the heavy lifting for you? Today, we are taking a deep dive into Doba. And yes, for the record, it is officially pronounced Doba. Doba is an AI-powered, US-focused dropshipping platform that is completely changing the game for e-commerce. They give you direct access to over 1 million SKUs with US warehouse product options, incredibly fast domestic shipping support, and some of the most insane smart automation tools I have ever seen on any platform. Whether you are a total beginner who doesn't even know what niche to pick, or you're an established scaling merchant looking to expand your existing operations without the typical operational headaches, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Doba to completely transform your business. And the absolute best part? You don't need hundreds of dollars to test this out. You can access their 1 million plus winning products, their highly vetted verified suppliers, and all of these AI-powered dropshipping tools for just 99 cents. Make sure to click my link in the description to start your trial right now so you can follow along.
Let's jump into the Doba dashboard. Right away, you'll notice how clean and easy the interface is to navigate. Doba works as a centralized platform where you can manage your products, suppliers, inventory, and orders, all from one convenient dashboard. Instead of switching between multiple tools, everything you need is organized in one place. To get started, click Connect a New Store and link your Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or TikTok shop account. The setup only takes a few moments, and once it's connected, Doba automatically syncs your inventory in real time. This helps prevent overselling, reduces manual work, and protects your seller account from stock-related issues. Now it's time to explore products. Doba gives you access to over 1 million items across a wide range of categories, including beauty, home, outdoor, fashion, electronics, and much more. You can filter products by niche or browse the top-ranking and new arrival sections to discover trending products with strong selling potential. One of the biggest advantages is access to US warehouse inventory. Faster domestic shipping means happier customers, fewer complaints, and a much better shopping experience. Once you've found a product you want to sell, simply click List to Store. Doba automatically imports the product images, descriptions, pricing information, and other important details directly into your online store. Instead of spending valuable time copying and pasting product information manually, you can publish products in just a few clicks and focus your attention on growing your business. When a customer places an order, Doba automatically syncs everything with a verified supplier. You simply pay the wholesale cost, and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. There's no need to buy inventory up front, pack products yourself, or deal with shipping logistics. The entire fulfillment process is designed to be simple, efficient, and automated. Now let's look at one of Doba's most powerful features, its built-in AI tools. Doba Pilot works like your own personal AI assistant. You can ask it to find trending products, research profitable niches, analyze market opportunities, and even help you manage your store using simple natural language prompts. It's like having an experienced dropshipping expert available whenever you need help. The AI Tool Hub makes your daily workflow even easier. You can enhance product images, optimize product listings, and automate repetitive tasks that normally take a lot of time. These smart tools help you create professional listings faster while improving your overall productivity. If you're planning to promote products on TikTok or Facebook, you'll also love the Video Hub. It provides ready-to-use supplier videos and influencer content that you can download and use in your own marketing campaigns. This allows you to create engaging advertisements without ordering samples or producing videos from scratch, saving both time and money. Another valuable feature is Elite Academy. This training platform is packed with practical lessons covering product research, pricing strategies, marketing techniques, and TikTok shop growth. Whether you're just starting out or already running a store, these resources can help you build and scale your business with greater confidence. Overall, Doba combines product sourcing, supplier management, fast US shipping, automated fulfillment, AI-powered tools, marketing resources, and professional training into one complete platform. Instead of relying on multiple services, you can manage your entire dropshipping business from a single dashboard. If you're serious about starting or growing your dropshipping business, Doba gives you the tools to work faster, save time, and scale more efficiently. Click the link in the description to start your Doba trial for just 99 cents and experience everything the platform has to offer. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more e-commerce content, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.